Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the best WordPress hosting service out there. Okay, so if you are thinking of starting a new WordPress website, or you already have a WordPress website and you're looking for a very good web hosting service to host your website or to transfer your site to, this is certainly going to be the best WordPress hosting service for you. Now, this service is not like the cheap hosting services that you have out there. This is a high-end hosting service, but it gives you the high performance for your WordPress website, and this service is Cloudways. All right, so I'm going to take you through the process of getting yourself set up with Cloudways, or getting started with Cloudways hosting service. All right, so I'm going to provide a link in the description below to check out Cloudways. You can go to profitwithfritz.net/Cloudways, and it's going to bring you to this page. All right, so once you arrive on this page, you can take your time and go through the home page, okay, to see the perks that they do offer for their hosting service. All right, but I'm going to go straight ahead and then click on this button up here, start free. All right, so you click on that button to start a free trial. Now, Cloudways actually gives you a 3-day free trial, okay, and after which you can upgrade your account. All right, so I've filled the form here, and then you just go ahead and then click on the start free. Okay, so once everything goes through well, it's going to log you into your account. All right, so it welcomes you into your dashboard. All right, so I'm going to click on start now. Now they have sent you a link. You can see over your account verification is pending. All right, so an email has been sent to the email that you registered the account with. So you're going to have to log into your email account and then click on the verification link that Cloudways will send you. Okay, so you're going to have an email like this from Cloudways. So just click on the activate account that they send you. Okay, so it's asked me to verify my phone number, so I enter my phone number and then send SMS. All right, so I'm going to enter the SMS verification code that has been sent me, and then I'll click on verify. So once that is through, it's going to send me straight to the dashboard to get started. Okay, so my account is verified, okay, and a few options are available to me. But before we go into setting up our WordPress installation, we're going to choose one of these, and I recommend you go for Vulture. Okay, and then right here, as you scroll down a bit, you click and select high frequency, and this is going to give you a high frequency or high performance server that you're going to run your WordPress installation on. All right, so as you come down here, it does give you the chance to choose the server size that you would rather have. Okay, so if this is your first WordPress website that you're having, you can start from the 1 gig size option, and then as your website grows, as your business grows, you can scale up all the way. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on the 1 gig, and then you can see it shows you how much you're going to pay. All right, so on an hourly basis and also on a monthly basis. Okay, now this is based on the resources that you're going to use, okay, on that server. Okay, so if for over the period of a month, if the resources that you use actually does not match this, you may actually be paying less than the $13, or you'll be paying up to the $13, because I remember when I started the very first month, I paid just about $8 for my WordPress hosting. All right, in subsequent months, as activity began to go up, the price went up. But that is just about how much you're going to be paying for your WordPress installation. Okay, now before we go ahead to launch this server, we're going to make a few choices here. Now, these applications or server details application is basically in Cloudways, applications are your WordPress installation. So for example, if you're going to have a new website on Cloudways, then that is going to count as an application. All right, so I'll go ahead and choose an application here. So you have WordPress installation versions of 5.7. We have a WordPress multi-site, okay, and then these are the various options. But in our case, we are just going to go for a simple WordPress installation. So I'll choose the first version over here, and then I'm going to name my application. Okay, so this could be the name of the website that you are launching. Now, since this is just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to name this a demo. Okay, I'm going to name it demo site. Okay, I'll name this demo site, and then I'm going to name the server as demo server. Okay, and then name your project. Okay, now project allows you to actually categorize your WordPress. So for example, if you are planning to run a number of websites on this hosting service, okay, now you can break down your sites, okay, into different projects depending on the level of, or the organizational levels that you have in your establishment, or how you want to go about it. Okay, so you can either leave this that way, or let me just give it a name and call it demo project. Okay, so once that is done, let me scale this down back to 1 gigabyte. Okay, it's recommended that you start with 2 gig, but we can start with this, and then I'll click on launch now. So this is going to take some time to actually get our server ready. All right, so we'll wait a bit for that process to be completed. It tells us it's going to take about 13 minutes, but it's usually going to take far less than that. So let's give it some time, and then once the installation is done, we'll continue with the video. All right, so our demo server has been successfully created. It took just about 6 minutes for that to be completed. All right, so the server is completed, and now we can go into the application. So your WordPress installation actually resides in this application. But before we go there, I just want to point out to you that if you look at the top of your page over here, you can see your trial will expire in 3 days. Okay, so at any point within this period, you can actually upgrade your account, and the upgrade basically is just adding a payment card to your Cloudways account. Okay, so that when that first 30 days or 1 month is over and you are due for payment, okay, you are due for billing, that card will be charged. Okay, so in 3 days time, or before this 3 days is over, you can just upgrade your account. Okay, and what that means is that you're just going to add a payment card to your account. Okay, it's not going to charge you, but then that is when you're actually going to begin the first 30 days of your account. Okay, so that after the 30 days, that card can be billed. Okay, so your first WordPress account is actually in this demo server, and at any point in time, if you want to create a new WordPress website or WordPress installation, you can have it in the same server, or you can choose to create a new server, and you can do that just by clicking on this add server button. But we're going to go straight to our first WordPress installation by clicking on the applications tab at the top here, and you can see this first WordPress installation demo site is right here. Okay, and at any point in time, let's say you've created this first site, you want to create an additional site, all you need to do is just to click on add application, and you go through that process again. So you can choose to either add this second WordPress website or this second application in the same server, or you can create a new server and just go through that process. Okay, so it's very easy for you to do. All right, so let's go into this first WordPress installation. So by clicking on the demo site, so we click on it, and it brings us into the WordPress details tab. Okay, so as you can see, WordPress has already been installed on this demo site. All right, so you can see here application URL. When you click on this link over here, it takes you straight to the WordPress installation, as you can see, and it gives you this temporary URL, which is called a staging link or a staging URL, where your WordPress site, okay, will be on. Okay, and you can actually go ahead and develop your WordPress website fully on that link until you are ready to add or to link or to connect a domain name to this WordPress installation. All right, now if you need to go into the admin panel of your WordPress installation, it's that the link to that is over here. So you click on that link, and then you will come over and then copy your email address and then paste it in there. You copy the password and then paste it in there, and then you click to log in. Alright, so this brings you into the WordPress admin dashboard, where you can of course go ahead and then create your website pages and posts as you may have it, or install a theme. Alright, now if you are finding value in this video, I would like you to give this video a thumbs up, click on the like button below, and also subscribe to this channel, as I'll be bringing you more videos in this direction. All right, so yeah, so basically that is how you set up your first WordPress installation on Cloudways. All right, there are many other options, many other things that you can do, and I'm going to be bringing those things to us in other videos. All right, especially if you have a domain name that you've registered and you want to link or to connect that domain name to this WordPress installation, I'm going to provide a link in the description below this video. That is a separate video that I've created that will guide you through how to link a domain name to this Cloudways WordPress installation. All right, so check out that video and then link your domain name to this WordPress installation. All right, so very simply, this is how you create your first WordPress setup, or you set up your first WordPress website on Cloudways. I do encourage you to check out Cloudways, and I've provided a link in the description below, and check out the other resources that I'm going to provide below this this video. All right, that is the steps you're going to take moving forward from this point, and how to actually also build a WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching this video, and like I said before, make sure you click on the like button below this video to help to boost the video, and also subscribe to this channel if you are interested in stuff like this, and also create beautiful websites for your clients. All right, and I'll see you in the next video.